Alright, so first impression on the lash. So you can see it really well. This lash actually feels really good. And I have several pairs of Mink lashes. And this actually looks like it could be a Huda lash. Like, excuse me, not a Huda lash. Even though Huda Beauty does have lashes. A Lily lash. Like, look at that thickness. I'm excited to put this on my eye. Now, a lot of people don't do this step, but I need to do this step because my eyes are a little weird. I wouldn't say weird, they're just smaller, I should say. And I'm just going to like place them as if they were going to go on my eye just like this. So I just want to make sure they fit and they're not too big. I think this is a step that some people skip and the lash may end up, you know, flying off over there, but I'm not gonna skip this step because I know better. I don't know, I think that'll be okay. These are very dramatic, I am aware, and I'm not the type of person that's just gonna wear this out the house on a regular day, but for the purpose of this video and trying AliExpress Mink lashes, we gonna go bold. Alright, so I can kind of turn this into a how to put on eyelashes tutorial as well, and I need to look here at the camera and not here at the viewfinder. But you can just use whatever mascara. I use this Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara, and I did put a coat on my lashes, but just so I can my lashes will stick better with the false lash. So I did do that, and you will need a pair of tweezers. Doesn't matter what tweezers you use, but you will need them. Now, if I were to cut the lash, you want to make sure that you cut in between a lash. So for video purposes, I'm going to cut off that last little strip in between. And like I said, you want to cut in between the lash so you're not cutting off a lot of your lash. So where you see the lash separates, you just want to cut that off. So I did cut about one area off, and that's easy, like an easy note, because I'll be able to do the same thing on the other side. Now, if you can see this lash, it does have this little prickly end, and that can really get into your inner tear duct. So I'm going to cut that off as well, just that inner corner piece. So here's what the new lash look like. Still super curly, super long, and super full. So let's put it on our eyes, shall we? I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. So now all you seeing is eyes. All right, so you can, at this point, you can use whatever. All right, so once the glue is on that lash, you want to wait about 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and to put that lash on. So I've been waiting long enough, so I am going to pop that lash on. So it is rule of advice, it's good to, I have a compact mirror here, it's good to look down while you are putting on the lash and don't close your eye all the way. All right, so you just want to kind of go at an angle and pretty much sit that lash on top. So again, I'm looking down, and you want to just pop on the ends first because those are the easiest parts, and you can kind of have a better idea on where you want to place that lash. So here you go. Whoa. Okay, that is pretty full. So again, I am just going there. Y'all, I'm kind of shook right now because this lash looks like some of my $20 and $25 lashes, and it was only $2 and some change. I'm shook. I'm really shook, and I'm just squeezing my real lash with the fake lash at this point. And you can add more mascara to help blend it, but since I'm just doing these for the purpose of the video, this is what the lash looks like. No lash. Oh, I'm shook. Like, I'm really shook. This looks really good. Oh, Tay. So I did get some lash glue up on my eyeshadow there, but that can be fixed. But I am really shook. All right, so I'm going to take, y'all, I'm shook. So for $3 you can get these minks that look like almost identical to Lily lashes. Now I'm not sure how many times you can use them, but the site that I purchased them off of, they did say they're good for multiple uses. So I'm curious to see the longevity of these lashes, to be honest. They look really good. Like I said, these are a little too dramatic for my personal taste, but these are kind of one of my favorite style of lashes, so I'm really curious to try these. Once I do open those, I can, you know, post a picture or let you guys know how I do like them. But I'm impressed. For $2, $3 or whatever, I'm very impressed. Like, they feel super soft. They're super full and thick, and I really could see, you know, I see why people are like ordering like crazy. Like, I just, when I'm wearing these lashes, I just want to bat my eyes like crazy. But so I would definitely say these are 2 thumbs up, and I can see myself ordering more from this specific vendor. If you like other cheap hacks like these, let me know. And anytime I find something really good that I think you guys would enjoy, I can definitely do videos on them. It can be something short like this video. But I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your mama, your mama's mama, your mama, your daddy, you know, everybody, the whole family. But thank you for watching again, and until next time, deuces.